quick reading for January the 27th to the 28th Pisces. So we have the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. So it felt like to me, let's go general ha. Hindi lang romance, but it can be. Kasi there's someone here who probably just acts, no? Happy to be with you. It's not that you're boring, no? It's more of they're faking it. Kasi you have to study, no? These are the days wherein you are going to see that this person is just probably pinipilit yung sarili niya dahil yun yung gusto mong marinig or yun yung gusto mong mangyari. Pero deep inside, parang ayaw naman ito gawin. With the Seven of Swords kasi, it's kind of like more of pleasing you for the sake of, or baka meron din tong hidden agenda, no? With the Three of Pentacles, you have to open your eyes for the red flags. Yun ang pinaka-importante dito, Pisces, no? Red flags are, roaming around and you have to open your eyes. Baka magbulag-bulagan na naman tayo. But then again, this is your quick reading, no, Pisces, for January 27 to the 28th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.